And I'm just manifesting their growth. Oh my god! Welcome back to my channel. It's Jade and Rose. And we're gonna be making some bikinis. Trust me, I'm the queen. Brazilian bikini. I'm the girl to come to and ask, what's good? I want to make my own bikinis. What girl doesn't? I know you want to. It's a secret you've been holding back for years. Trust me. Same. Out of recycled materials, there's no better way than to reuse what you've been given. What you got? Let's get to creating. Oh, get the tunes.
We're gonna take your bikini and take out the center. Cut the whole bikini in half. And then take the bottoms and cut the sides, cause you don't fit that big, girl. And then take your bikini leg, cut off the sides as well.
But also fuck that bikini.
Oh my god, you look like a Barbie. I got yarn today. I'm all about learning a new skill. We have started something. I'm following a tutorial, of course. So far, it's a good tutorial. It's really nice because it's easy. I love that. Look what I made. So pretty. And it was really fast to make it. Just saying. Look at this sexy little top. Very sparkly, very fun. About to fuck it up.
Take this old bra and cut off the cups to use the wire. Sew the fabric along. I did this thing with the hair tie, doing workout, but I was just trying to save where I wanted the fabric at around the ring so I could sew it right in place. And then I sewed the fabric. I cut the ring on pretty good. Cut the bottom half for the bottoms. Outlined this bottom as my guide. Thought it was maybe triangle and rolled the flops. Then I made some string, stretchy string out of the fabric as well. It worked pretty good. Sparkles everywhere, there you go. And this big girl, look at her, oh my goodness. I chopped her up, we're bringing her in. Too long. Bring it up, let's make this happen. And bring them together to make the elastic.
So here's what we got going for us.
Okay guys, listen.
We made it.
I have this collared shirt. I love it. I had to make something out of it. And truth is, the fabric cut terribly, but I think we can prevail.
So we're gonna try something a little different today. This is obviously not what I want it to look like. You see the roughness? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it inside out, right? Yeah. And we're gonna sew all along the edges. But first, you need to cut a little slit in the bottom. Trust me. If you ask me, the easiest way to cut a slit would be like this.
I'm using a regular elastic band as my elastic band for the bikini. Here's me turning it inside out.
blast. Me and Haley had such a good time modeling these bikinis up for you. It's cool to wear your own piece and be like, I made these. My favorite look of this week, I'm just gonna tell you, is the black sparkly one Haley wore. She rocked the fuck out of it. I don't know if anyone could do it better. Designer, model, combo team. We run the world. I love it. I had such a good time. Make your own bikinis. Try. What's the worst that can happen? You get a little nip slip? Great. We love it. Make sure you stay dirty, my little devils, and I'll see you guys next time.
That looks really good. Oh my god. So cute. So cute.